How to fix me@Walmart app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if me@Walmart application is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first thing, you have to ensure that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile network to see if your problem resolves or not. If that's not your case, the second thing, you have to make sure that if the application is updated. Updates often fix bugs or improve compatibility. So, to check for available updates, open a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for me@Walmart app. Now once you search for it, open up the Google Play Store and there tap on the application. Now if you find update button where I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated. Tap on update. Now once the update is complete, you can go back, open up the application and re-log in if needed and check whether now application is working properly or not. If still not, you have to restart your device. Restarting your device will resolve temporary glitches. So restart your device. Then open up the application. If the problem still persists, the next thing you have to do is clear cache and data. For that, navigate to your application in your mobile device. Tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info. Here, tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Clearing the cache will remove temporary file and glitches from the application, which will help you solve your problem. Now you can go back, open up the application and check if the problem is solved. And if still not, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall or delete the application and reinstall the application from the Google Play Store. So to do that, again navigate to the application, tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info, then tap on Uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you have deleted this application, you can again open the Play Store, reinstall it back, open up the application and log in with your Walmart credential to restore your access. And that's how you can fix if your application is not working properly. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.